Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email in Grindr application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Grindr, firstly go ahead and open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. Among the displayed options, tap on Settings. You will end up on the Settings page of Grindr's account. Tap on Email. Type in your new email and enter your password for your email address, then click on Change Email option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change email on Grindr's application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.